My name's Paul Hearne. I run a company called Limelite. It's a Victorian family company, and we've been working with Integra for about 20 years. Good suppliers are worth the weight in gold because you can talk with them, you can work with them, you can get the job done with them. Integra helped us bring new products to the market by being innovative with us, by setting up their tooling, their programs, so we could go to market. We can change, we can modify, we can advance in the marketplace very quickly. And that's been our strength all the way along. We grab ideas and we use them. We're just in the process at the moment of tipping our linear range upside down, and we're coming out with all this new stuff. I had Paul and half of his gang working with us to create this new range, which will take another part of the market for us and push us further ahead. It's been a long-standing association, and it's been an innovative one, with us growing both exponentially over the years. As two parallel companies, we complement each other. We've got a phrase, it just works, and working with Integra, it just works.